Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. And friends, TCS NQT 2026 exam is planned in November 14th, 15th and 16th. So it is very important to solve TCS NQT question asked in 2025 exam, the exam which happened in March, April, May. Okay, and these are the question memory based questions, so the students were able to remember a few of the questions. That's what we are going to discuss in this particular video, so please watch the video till the end. I wanted you to get selected in TCS this year, like how 2025 candidate, 2024 candidates has been selected in TCS NQT for digital, prime and ninja roles. Anyway, now question number 1. So question number 1 is, a man sold a toy, right? A man sold a toy for rupees 10,620 but incurred a loss of 10%. Okay, if he wants to gain a profit of 12%, then how much price he has to sell? So basically this selling price we need to calculate from here. Okay, now, so friends, it's very simple. There are two ways to do it. So the trick I will tell you here, how you could have done it in the one line, and in TCS online calculator will be there, so you do not waste your time by doing calculations at least. Okay, so see, if you want to tell the selling price, okay, then you need to know the cost price, because profit is given. If you know the cost price, then you can easily tell the answer. Now here you see, so selling price formula will be cost price into, if there is a loss, then 100 minus percentage of loss divided by 100. Okay, so 10,620 will be equal to cost price. 100 minus 10, that is 90, divided by 100. 1010 cancelled. So cost price will be 10620, one more 0, and then divided by 9. So here, if you want to know a number is divisible by 9 or not, just take the sum. So 628 plus 1, 9. That means this number will be definitely divisible by 9. 9 1 ja 9, okay, and then again 9 1 ja 9, and 9 8 ja 72. So 11,800 is my cost price. Now if you want to calculate selling price, so selling price will be cost price into 100 plus percentage of profit, completely formula based problem, divided by 100. Your cost price is 11,800 into 100 plus 12 is 112, and then divided by 100, cancelled, and now 118 into 112. So I will suggest you to use calculator in the TCS exam into 112. So 13,216. Now sir, this is so big. Now as you are mentioning that I will tell you some tricks, so can you please let us know how can we solve it in a easy manner? So friends, you see, selling price 1, and here you have loss, correct? Okay, then selling price 2, and here you have profit percentage. Okay, now friends, always keep in mind, if you have any kind of loss, subtract from 100. If there is any kind of profit, add to 100. Now selling price 1 is 10,620. There is a loss of 10%, so 100 minus 10 is 90. See, any loss, subtract from 100, any profit, add it to 100. Selling price 2, and here 100 plus, you want 12% profit. So 100 plus 12, 112. Now, so multiply this to multiply this to. So 10620 into 112 will be equal to 90 into SP2. So your SP2 will be, if you will see carefully, this is into 112 divided by 90. So this 0 cancel, 9 So 118 times, so 118 into 112, this is what we had got. It will be 13,216. Okay, so friends, you can do it in just one line. This is also, you don't have to write, okay, this one, and again directly you can write this one. Two line, but I need to explain you the complete process, how it happens, where most of the students waste their time in the examination, that all those things you need to know, then only you can perform better in the exam. Okay, now question number 2. Friends, A income is 18,200. He spends his 89%. So friends, A income is nothing but, sir, 18,200. Okay, fine. He is spending is 89%. Calculate his saving. Bhaiya, if you have 100% and 89% if you spend, then how much will be left, sir? Minus, so 11%. So his saving will be just 11%. That's all done. So 0 0. And now this multiplication trick of 3 digit you must be knowing. Okay, so if you multiply with 11, write 2 and write 1. Now 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so here 1 and 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 10, correct, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, and here it will come as 182 into 10, so here it will come as 2. So 2202, if you want to see, you just see, so 182 and then here 182. So 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 9 plus, okay, some mistake is there. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, I'm sorry, 9 plus 1 is 10, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. I will tell you how I have done. So 182 into 11. So this 1 and 2, write it as it is. Okay, then okay, and then you see, so this 2 and 8 you add. Okay, and then this 8 and 1 you add. So 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 will come here. 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 will come here. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So here your answer will be 2002. Okay, so this is how we will multiply with 11, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, it does not matter. Okay, now friends, see, yesterday one of the students were asking, sir, how do you know that these questions, okay, these questions were only asked, okay, so who will remember? See, actually when students will write the exam, okay, when you try the question again and again, some questions you will be able to remember, and also some questions which you are not able to solve, if you attempt for 2-3 times, you'll be able to remember. So this is how the students has written the question here and sent. This also I will discuss it. Okay, so, and you see, read here. Thank you so much, sir, for your help. Most of the questions were from the TCS NQT crash course only. You read this. Hello Pratik sir, first of all thank you so much. I have completed my exam on 20 of March, so this year. Most of the questions were from the crash course, and the TCS NQT exam pattern was also the same as TCS NQT crash course. Even there is no pattern change also, waiting for the result, and that guy had got selected for the digital role. Okay, thank you so much Pratik sir, I got selected in TCS digital. I just wanted to say a big thank through my college journey. Your videos really helped me. And I got a selection mail. I'm happy to say that I got selected in TCS Ninja role. No problem. I'm permanent subscriber and truly grateful for all your efforts. Friends, see, this is how the result comes when you know which type of questions is getting asked in the exam. See, it's all about experience. Okay. See, I have spent around 12 years in this IT industry right now. Also, I am working as a team lead in one of the company. So you get experience. Okay. And I'm teaching from last 10 years. So that's experience only is getting the results. Anyway, we will discuss about this TCS exam pattern also in this video. So, but before that, I will try to solve that question. So numerical ability, 20 question, 25 minutes. Logical reasoning, 20 question, 25 minutes. Verbal ability, 25 question, 25 minutes. Advanced aptitude reasoning, 15 question and 25 minutes. Advanced coding, 2 questions, 90 minutes. Total 190 minutes. And here, I am also going to tell you the exam rules. Many people will be asking, sir, calculator is allowed or not? Okay. And also topic wise weightage. But friends, one thing I wanted to tell you, if you really want to get selected in TCS, okay, you have to take a step ahead. Because if you go through this crash course now, then you do not have to worry. Most of the questions in your exam will be of similar type which has been discussed and which we are discussing in the live class. See, daily live classes we are having, and this week we have increased the number of classes also. So this is not updated to Python classes, to Java classes. So the classes will be also more number of live classes will be also going on. See, friends, one TCS crash course, you will be prepared for many other examination. Get it today. I don't want you to regret later that, see, 1500 rupees is not a big amount, but if you get selected, right, see, at least you will get confidence, your preparation level is good, and many people are getting onboarding now also for digital prime. Now the number of seats were less in 2025, so the selection is very less, but people have got selected and they will join TCS as well. Okay, anyway, so friends, I'm telling you, similar type of questions you will be getting in exam, like how the other students, see, it's not, this is my screenshots and all. Students will only tell. So, you see the chats of this, our particular groups, okay? These chats of the WhatsApp, okay? These WhatsApp chats, okay? So, it's like, people are getting utilized, utilizing the courses, and that's how we are telling. Anyway, we'll talk about the weightage of the topics, but let us come back and try to solve. See, there are so many questions were repeated. Some of these questions are repeated again on 31st of March 2025. It's not like I'm talking about the old dates. Most questions which you are teaching are repeating, sir. So most questions whatever I teaching, see, that's what that is called experience. Okay, see, there are many people who are teaching, okay, and they will tell 100% question matching. I will not say 100% matching. Students will only tell whatever is matching. Same concept, your video helped me a lot. Today morning shift paper, most of the question is repeated from your paper solution. So during the exam also we do paper solution and put in the crash course so that you get help from that. You are super. So thank you, sir. Almost all question problem you taught are in today's paper with different values. Okay, sir, thank you so much, sir. I have been attended March shift 1 just now. The questions you taught yesterday were ditto asked in the examination. Okay, so friends, anyway, that's up to you. You want to really regret, or you want to get selected, you want to build your confidence, all those things will be there. Series based problem. So you have 3, you have 8, you have 15, you have 24, you have 35, and then you have what? So here 5, here 7, here 9, here 11. Okay, now the difference is 2, so the difference is 2, so the difference is 2. So here it could have been 13. So 35 plus 13 will be 48. So the next number was nothing but 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Friends, many times no, the difference will be right prime numbers like 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, like numbers will be 3, 3, 5 will be 8, 8, 7 will be 15, 15, 11 will be 26, 26 plus 13 will be what? So 39, 39 plus 17 will be 56, right? So, and then what is the next number? So many students will be confused. What is this? So this is nothing but the prime numbers, like your prime numbers is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, so 1 is not a prime number, don't do the mistake. I just wanted to see how many people identify. So your prime number starts from 2 and there is only one even prime number, that is nothing but 2. Correct? Okay, cool. Next. So next question, if you'll see, 2 men can do a work in 14 days. 2 men. Then find how many men are required to finish the work in 4 days. Friends, there is a formula M1 D1. Okay, H1 by W1. So we also called MDH masala trick. Okay, M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. Now M is number of men. Sir, what if they have given omen? Arey bhai, men omen means number of people basically. D is days, H is hours. Okay, M2 is again men, D is days, and H is hours, correct? And W is work. Now, if hours is given, you utilize it. If it is not given, leave it. So 2 men can do a work in 14 days, okay? And work is W. Then find how many men are required to finish the work in 4 days. So this is mains and days is 4 divided by W. W and W cancelled. 4 days, right? Okay, so 2 2s are and 2 7s are. So number of men which is required is 7, and that will become your answer for question number 4. Clear? Okay, no more confusion. Keep it simple, and then you will be able to solve the question. A train moves from A to B. So this is your A. Okay, so a train moves from A to B and returns from, so a train is going A to B and coming from B to A. So distance is same from A to B with 50 km per hour, and returning back at 60 km per hour. So what is the average speed? Now many people will do, sir, 50 plus 60 and divided by 2. Sir, 110 by 2, that is 55 km per hour, which is completely wrong. Your answer will be near to this, but not this, okay? So friends, you know the formula. When the distance is same, then average speed will be, 2xy, xy means speed, divided by x plus y. So 2 into 50 into 60 and divided by 50 plus 60. So here 2 into 50 into 60 and then divided by 110. So 0 0 cancelled. So basically 600 by 11. So 600 by 11 will be, you can use calculator, because in TCS exam I don't recommend anyone to do the calculation by themselves. 54.54. So that's what I told you. Your answer will be near to that, but not exactly that, okay? So keep this in mind, how you have to see all those things I am teaching, okay? The complete thing from the basics, recorded videos are there, live classes are there, and see, test series are there. The main thing is the test, okay? The tests are there. See, every topic you will be able to practice. Sir, how? Let's go inside this recorded videos, okay? And then see aptitude. Now in aptitude there are 38 videos are there. So you did problems on simplification, okay? Problems on simplification. Now simplification test is there. So what you learned, that is what you are going to check in the test series. Problems on average, okay? So here combinedly percentage, profit and loss, and average test is there. So you finish problems on average, you finish problems on percentage, okay? And then you finish problems on profit and loss. So even the individual is also there, percentage, profit and loss, and here it is combined. So that is how the result comes. See, we simply do not claim, okay? So you go to our YouTube channel, you see these are the people who were selected in TCS and now they are working in TCS. So we simply don't come and say, "Arey bhai, the questions are coming from our course, take it." No, there are people who are working in TCS, and we have given the results. There is no doubt. Online study for you is known for the results. Even if you go and check any of your Infosys videos, TCS videos, you will come to know. Find the minimum value of fx is equals to 3 plus. So find the minimum value of fx is equals to 3 plus 2x plus 11. Bhaiya, this is mod. Mod will never give you negative value. Mod will give you, okay, always positive value or 0. So the minimum value, no doubt it will be 3, because this has to be 0 for the minimum value. Now they might ask you, for what value of x, for what value of x fx will be minimum. That one question they might add. So here fx, okay, so fx, so what we will do, you see 2x plus 11 is equals to 0, then 2x will be equal to minus 11, x will be minus 11 by 2. So for x is equals to minus 11 by 2, So for x will be minus 11 by 2. This fx will be minimum. Okay, very simple. Keep it simple. And then you see, oh, so already 20 minutes is gone. Find the largest value that divides 639 and 1468 that leaves remainder of 4 and 3 is. Arey bhaiya, very simple question. Anyway, see, whenever the largest value comes in question, largest value, highest value, so it is very, very simple. The question is based on your HCF. Okay, nothing to worry. Now I ask you one question. If you have 7, okay, and if I ask you to divide by 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 will be remainder. Now if I subtract the remainder and then divide by 2, what will happen, my dear friends? Sir, ये तो पूरा का पूरा divisible हो जाएगा. It is completely divisible, sir. Correct? Okay. So 639 and 1468, that leaves a remainder. That means if I subtract 4, if I subtract 3 here, that means this number should be completely divisible. Correct? Okay. Now what is the largest number? So let us try to calculate. You have options 5, 15, 45, 25. So if you get the factor, so 5 into 12, 127. 127 is a prime number, and 5 into 5 2s are 5 9s are and 5 3s are. So this and this both is a prime number. So what is the highest common factor? So highest common factor is 5. So bhaiya 5 will be the answer. Okay. So bina soche samjhe you will be able to answer. Today also I have a live class at 8 p.m. Okay. Today also I have a live class at 8 p.m. And if you want to join, get enrolled into this crash course and join the 8 p.m. classes. Today also you will be able to learn a lot in the crash course. Okay. Now, so wow, very good question. This is a wonderful question. Many of the students will do the mistake. Okay. And see, why sir options are not given? Because the student cannot remember the options in the exam questions. Only if they are able to remember, keep in the mind, that is more than sufficient. Okay. Now let's see. So here a man age present age, you see, a man present age is, bhaiya, man present age is 2.5 times. 2.5 times is nothing but bhaiya 5 by 2 times. So a man present age is 5 by 2 times of sum of ages of his two daughter, D1 and D2. Let us assume both the daughter were your X. Let us assume both the daughter was your X. Okay. So man is nothing but 5 by 2 times of X. Okay. Fine. 30 years later. Now 30 years later means man will become, bhaiya, man age will increase by 30. Okay. Then what will happen to daughter age? Daughter age also will increase to 30. So plus 30, and this is also plus 30. Correct? Okay. So 30 years later, the man age will be sum of ages of his two daughters. That means X plus 30, first daughter age will increase, and second daughter age will also increase by 30. So X plus 60. So M plus 30 will be equal to X. What is X? So 2M by 5 and plus 60. Correct? Okay. Now this 30 we will send it that side. So M minus 2M by 5 is equals to 30, sir. So 5M minus 2M is equals to 3M by 5 is equals to 30. So M will be nothing but equal to 50, sir. M will be nothing but equal to 50, sir. So the age of the man after 12 years, add 12 to it, it is 62. So there are a lot of questions which definitely we have to discuss, and we will discuss also sometimes. Okay. So, I have a class at 8 p.m. So definitely I need to prepare. So there are a lot of questions are there which has to be discussed, which has to be solved. Okay. Friends, see, and topic wise, if you'll go through this particular video, you will be able to see, right? So the topics in aptitude will be number system, LCM, HCF, divisibility rule, simplification, approximation, ratio, proportion, percentage, average, profit, loss, discount, simple and compound interest, time, speed and distance, time and work, pipe and distance, permutation, combination, probability, mixer relegation, algebra, geometry and mensuration statistics. So a lot of 2025 batch asked questions we have started already doing in the crash course. Number series, letter series, coding, decoding, analogy, blood relation, direction sense, ranking, calendar and clock, syllogism, critical reasoning, sitting arrangement, puzzles, inequalities, figure based problems in grammar, tense, articles, I mean parts of speech, synonyms, synonyms, idioms, one word substitution, short passage, okay, and then jumble sentence completion, all those things. And this is in programming, right? So already the classes are going on, more number of classes has been added. So see you inside the crash course, and till then take care of yourself. We'll definitely meet in the next video. Till then, please keep studying, and definitely we are going to help you at every stage of your exam. Bye bye, take care.